Hi everyone, welcome back. Plan my classic Abby planner for the second week of September. This layout again. TJ got the mat looking kind of dirty. You wipe that up. Okay, and this week in my dashboard layout is the one where I made the own layout, and I really want to use this layout, so we're going to use this for my catch-all section, which is what I've been using this layout for. So I'm going to kind of make this layout over and use cover up these lines so it's not hourly, it's just lines. And I will use this, which last week I was like, help me figure out some ideas, and what I did this week, which is not the week that the video went out, whatever, anyways, what I did was write in the list of activity ideas of what we're doing with my children. That way I had more room to write them, because usually it's just one little line right there, and that's obviously not a lot of space. And then I kind of, sometimes it's enough refresher that I'm okay, I know what that is. Sometimes I have to go back in my email and figure out what I'm supposed to be doing. So hopefully if I have more room on the page, I don't need to do that. And then it's useful, so I get to use the pretty pages, but also not if I want to write it in the catch-all, then it would be in the catch-all, but if it's not there, then why am I writing it in that one? So it's it has a purpose, basically. So, yay. Back to planning. Okay, yeah, so that's where we're gonna leave it. Like I said, I don't need a lot of space this week because this is gonna be more just like writing and activities. I just need like a little brief synopsis of it. And I don't have a lot of space on Monday. I can use up here, here. I might even use like this side, and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, like here and here. Friday, I'll probably like push it over because I don't do it Saturday and Sunday. Those are more just like whole family time. So I have like extra space over here. So I will find somewhere to write. So if you, I used Color Story. I used up one full page and quite a few more stickers, so Color Story is almost gone. We're almost there. Definitely, I want to use it up by the end of 2022. So, just cheer me on in the comments down below. And yeah, and like the video if you liked this video, and hit the notification bell, and oh, well, first hit the subscribe and then the notification bell. Thanks. Bye. Say bye, TJ. Look. Look. You're just gonna lay down and take a nap.